I'm a little different. She requested some pink and red little situation. We got a little freestyle set. So, you know, as usual, I go in and with the tips, I already filed them down and everything, kind of blended them a little bit. So we going straight in with the clear coat. Right there, I'm showing you what I used. I used Mia Secrets, what is it, like a 12 pack. But for the most part, this whole set was like Mia Secrets. So Mia Secrets Dehydrator, Mia Secrets primer, Mia Secrets clear. So I've been testing out Mia Secrets for these last couple sets. I want to see if we can do the non-lifting thing for real, if it's as good as everybody says it is. Before, this is a freestyle set, so literally every nail is different. So I probably won't be doing a lot of talking on this video. I'll just let the music ride out. Y'all vibe with me while I do this set. Like I said, the colors are actually Mia's Secret in this in like a 12 pack. I'll be sure to link everything down below. And the reason why I don't bring the clear all the way up, because I know some nail techs do that when they're putting that clear base down, they bring it all the way up to the tip, is because these clear tips are pretty sturdy. I got them off of Amazon, so I'll be sure to link those below too. So pretty much everything you'll see, besides like the glitter, the holographic glitter, I got that from Michael's and kind of like mixed it with some other glitters, other holographic glitters. So it's like some hexagons, some triangles, some chunkies, and some fines. So that's something you can probably just pre-mix on your own. But yeah, just vibe out with me. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel and just watch the video, guys. These are bangers.
Oh yeah, I forgot to. Okay, so like normally I record me doing sorry guys. Normally I record me doing both hands, but when I look back at the recording of the other hand, you really couldn't see anything. So like with this editing, I wanted to make sure you guys seen everything like one-on-one, but with the other hand, you just really couldn't see it. So here again, I'm doing my finish file, but y'all know when I'm laying my acrylic, I make sure to really get those edges really straight so I don't have to file that much. And a lot of people ask like, why do I file my side stand like that? So I like for my nail to like come in, to not really have that like square block look on the side. No shade, I've been seeing a lot of people do, but I don't like that look. I like for it to look like a natural, like a C of some sort, you know what I mean? So I like to bring it in and really make it look like a natural nail. So when I'm filing, it doesn't take a while for me to file, take that long for me to file, because I already laid my acrylic pretty smooth. And then when I'm finished filing, as I am here, my sides are already kind of taken in as well. So that's what you guys see when I'm like taking forever, I guess, to like lay the acrylic, and I'm like patting it and everything. That's what I'm doing. I'm trying to like reduce my time.
look at them. But yeah, I just wanted to do something a little different. Like I said, this is like more of a medium style freestyle set. Everything is different. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.